But if I just go in, so I would string this here, go just through the thing. But what I discovered is because those beads are so small, they would disappear. So what I'm using is a sequence.
Oh, that's smart.
Like, and I have some for Christmas ornaments or Christmas time, I use the red ones. So I just string this on, and then I go through the whole crane here. So just come out at the top. Oops, I have a hard time. The last time I did this, I hadn't had eye surgery yet. So then I put another sequence because on top,
to keep it in place.
To keep it in place. Well, then there's another chain of beads. So then I kind of go with a, so I take 1, 2, 4,